What is up, guys? Welcome to the Taco Garage, and today I want to show you one of our latest mods. It's something that we've been working on for a little while, and it's finally done, and we're really happy with the results, and I hope you are too. So you probably know what we're talking about since you, I imagine, read the title of the video. And I'm talking about the push to start button. So it's usually just a regular push to start, black on white, I think, with the blue backlight, whatever. It's just a regular boring button, but it doesn't have to be that way. So we came up with these designs. So here, you'll see we have a couple of them, and most of these come in both black or red. So you have the option on any of these designs. This is a cool one. This is a really basic, just a power symbol with the TACOMA in TACOMA font up top, and then we have the little taco. This is a fun one. Now, for all of those who claim your Tacomas are underpowered, we made this one specially for you. Just kidding. The good thing about these is that they fit all Tacoma models with a push to start button, or I'm not gonna say all of them, but a lot of them that use the same button. So this can fit on many cars. We obviously made them with mostly Tacomas in mind, but we thought it'd be fun to make a different one, something like that. Anyways, these are all gonna be on the website. I'm also gonna show you later on this video how to install it. With every one of these buttons, we're including a little tool to take them out. It shouldn't be too difficult, but this tool makes it a lot easier. All right, so we're in the car now. I have my tool right there, my button right there. I decided to go with the Punisher style. That's my tool right here. And I'm gonna show you how to remove this to install that one. So first thing you wanna do is remove the chrome trim around. So that's really easy. You just, even with your fingernails, you can just pull it and it comes up. So for reinstalling, I just want to show you real quick. You see the seam, there's a seam there up top. I don't know if you can see it in the plastic. So that faces up, because it's kind of difficult. It took me a couple guesses before I found out that there was a seam there. That's facing up, and then that's how it goes in. So now for the button, this is a tricky part, and this is what you're going to use your tool for. So you want to put it in the gap in between the button and the rest of the plastic, the surround. So you want to put it in and then twist it 90 degrees so it's grabbing, so the little hook there is grabbing the button, and pull it. So you're gonna do that once or twice, maybe 3 times, whatever's necessary, but just pull it little by little. So you want to do one side and then pull it out, and then do just a little further down, a little further up, and so on until it pops out. So kind of like that, and then you pull it out, get on the other side, and then boop. There we go. So this one's out. Now this might look a little easier than it usually is, just because we've taken this button out a bunch of times, so it may already be loose, and it's not going to be as tight as your button. So you may have a little bit of a harder time doing that, but it shouldn't be too difficult anyway. So now that you have that out, there's not a lot to it. You just gotta line this up. If you're trying to put it in the wrong way, the design up front will show, like it's gonna be obvious. So just make it upright. Once you have it lined up, push it all the way. You're gonna hear it click. It should be flush. It should stick out as much as your original. So now that you have that, you look for the seam and the outer ring. Make sure this goes up. Now you're gonna have 2 hands to do this. I imagine you're not gonna be holding a camera, so it should be easier for you. There you go. That's the end result. And then let me show you without the light on. Now, I don't know about you, but I think that's a really cool look. You can't really see it on the camera, but here from what I'm sitting, I can clearly see the Punisher skull there just shining, waiting to be pressed.
Alright guys, that's it for today's video. We hope you liked it. Just a little quick tutorial on how to install the button. And if you like the button as much as we do and are considering getting one for yourself, we'll have the links in the description below. Also, you can find them on the tacogarage.com. And if you have any cool, funny, interesting ideas for button design, by all means, go to the comment section. Let us know. We make those in-house, so we can definitely make it happen if we like the idea as well. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, comment. Any feedback is appreciated. Any opinions on the buttons or questions or whatever, let us know. We'll be reading the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.